Hi, my name is Dr. Stephen Charlap. I graduated medical school over 40 years ago, and I'm here to tell you something very important. AI is not going to replace doctors. It's not coming after their jobs. It's coming after their patients. Patients are sick and tired of being rushed through appointments, of doctors not looking them in the eyes, not answering all their questions. And they've had enough. And now that there is AI, many are turning to AI. And so doctors are competing against AI because AI is going to empower their patients. I can imagine very soon a patient's going to walk in and said, I've done my own risk and symptom assessment. I've identified my diagnosis. Here are the tests. Please order them to validate the diagnosis and write me a prescription so when the test results come back, I can take the prescription right away. Doctors are not going to like that. They're not used to that. There's always been a power balance where the doctors were on top and the patients took directions. But already 52% of patients aren't listening to their doctors. So doctors are not competing against AI for their jobs. They're competing against AI for their patients. AI is going to empower their patients in ways heretofore unthought of. And it's going to level the playing field. Consumers are going to become more savvy, more knowledgeable, and perhaps even equals to physicians with AI on their side. Come listen to this thought-provoking, provocative lecture where you're going to learn all the ways to take advantage of AI if you're a patient and all the ways to collaborate with AI if you're a doctor or a health administrator. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.